Hi everyone, this is Aman. Today we'll go through into the thought-provoking Shah Bano case, which emerged as a turning point in the fight for women's rights in India. In this video, we'll go through the fact, legal proceeding, and the impact of this landmark case. So let's get started. The Shah Bano case revolves around the story of Shah Bano, a Muslim woman from Indore, India. Back in 1978, she was divorced by her husband through the practice of triple talaq, leaving her without any financial support. Shah Bano, facing financial hardship, filed a petition seeking maintenance from her husband under Section 125 of CRPC, which grants maintenance to wives, children, parents. Her case processed through the legal system, eventually reaching the Supreme Court of India in 1985. The Supreme Court judgment in the Shah Bano case was groundbreaking decision profound impact that had a profound impact on the right of Muslim women surrounding and discourse surrounding religious practice and gender equality. The Supreme Court judgment in the Shah Bano case was groundbreaking decision that had a profound impact on the right of Muslim women and the discourse surrounding religious practices and gender equality. The court in its judgment highlighted the principle of equality, non-discrimination and justice. It emphasized the personal religious laws cannot supersede fundamental rights guaranteed by the Indian Constitution. The court ruled that Shah Bano was entitled to maintenance beyond the Iddah period, a 3-month waiting period after divorce. However, the judgment sparked intense debates and reactions from different sections of society. Conservative Muslim groups argued that it interfered with personal religious laws, while women's rights activists celebrated it as a significant victory for gender justice. In response to the controversy, the Indian government passed the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act in 1986, seeking to nullify the Supreme Court judgment. The act faced criticism from curtailing the maintenance right of divorced Muslim women. The legacy of the Shah Bano case continues to resonate today. It sparked greater awareness of the right of Muslim women, tricked decision on the need for legal reforms, and highlighted the tension between secularism, religious freedom, and gender equality. The Shah Bano case stands as a testament to the power of legal decision and social norms and advocating for gender justice. It remains an important milestone in the ongoing struggle for women's rights in India. Shah Bano case remains a pivot moment in the fight for women's rights in India. It sparked important debates on clash between religious laws and fundamental rights, propelling decision on legal reforms and gender equality.